I would like to work a little bit on this restoration hardware chair. I think it's called J-Code Fabric Armchair, and you can find this on the hardware restoration website. So that's the chair. Let me show you a little bit more about it, how it looks like. Okay, good. So how we're gonna do this? Well, I'm going to take advantage of this. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go for this one, the one that actually has the seat and the back are the same piece. Okay, so we're going to work with this one. It's very similar to the previous one. So how we're gonna do this one? Okay. So I'm gonna take advantage of the information here. I'm gonna take this picture and I'm gonna take it into Revit, and once it's in Revit I'm going to scale this picture so I can make the picture real life size. Once that, I'm going to trace this piece right here. I'm going to trace this piece and I'm going to extrude it, and then I'm going to duplicate it to create the other side of the chair, and then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to trace this piece, extrude it, and then I'm going to have to create a hole in here, right? And finally I'm going to work on the upholstery part of the chair and see what we can do for that. Now a bit of let me clarify this. Now the back of the chair, if you can see, if you're looking from the top, is slightly curved, very slightly curved. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna make it straight. Okay, in Revit it will be very complicated to try to make it curved. Almost impossible for this particular configuration. So instead of making it slightly curved, we're gonna make it straight. Okay. Yeah, when it comes to family creation, Revit has a lot of restrictions, a lot of limitations, right, in terms of the geometry you can possibly create. So this is probably one of them. So I think it's no big deal. It won't change much of the character of the chair, right? So instead of make it a little bit curve a little bit here, we're gonna make it straight. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna download this picture and I'm gonna bring it into my family working environment so I can start tracing it. The one thing I need is this dimension. That's critical. So let me go here and I can see that I have the seat height. I can use this one, but also overall seat height arm I think is 24 inches. Okay, so 60 centimeters, meaning that from my understanding is that from this point to this point right here we have the arm, right? Seat height, we have 24 inches I think, which is equal to 600 millimeters, right? We're gonna work in millimeters, so we're gonna use this dimension as a reference to scale this picture within Revit. Now we're also gonna need the width. The overall is 20, the width, the depth is this 28, so 27 is going to be the width. 20 is going to be the width of the chair, right? So let's have that in mind. The depth of the chair is this one. Don't worry about too much of that. We have the height here, and I need this dimension, which is 20 inches. 20 inches is 500. So start from the beginning. This we want to make this 600 within Revit, so we can start working on our chart. So let's start it.